Hello, inspirators. Back at you again. Good to see y'all again. Good to be with y'all again. Good to share with y'all again. And good to bake a cake with you all again. Yes, I am. All right, this time we are going to be doing... What we gonna be doing, y'all? Slap your mama whipped cream strawberry cake. All right, let's go right ahead, y'all, and we're gonna go right on and take that stroll. Okay, all right, inspirators, we're gonna start off by steaming our frozen strawberries. Yes, this is how many ounces is this? How many ounces? It is a pound of strawberries, 16 ounces. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to steam these strawberries until some of that juice kind of drains off of it, okay? Steam it just enough for that. And then, because I want to use some of that juice coming off of that. All right, we're going to use some of that juice for our cake mix. Okay, I'm gonna pour some of it off if I can without the strawberries rolling out. Uh-oh, one trying to roll out. Okay, I'm gonna let it steam some more. Just a little bit more. I don't think I have quite enough. I want to at least get almost a cup full. You might not get all the way to a full cup, but y'all know what? I'm thinking it's going to be enough. These are some beautiful strawberries. Notice how red and pretty they are. All right, everybody. Where we're gonna go from here is we're gonna crush up our strawberries that I just steamed. And this is how much I collected so far. And it looked like it is about half on the average. Okay, now, I'm gonna crush my strawberries up. We're gonna go right ahead and crush those strawberries up, all right? We're gonna crush them up because I'm gonna be using some of them. Okay, good people. So far, this is where I'm at with smushing up the strawberries. All right, I just left some half unsmushed. And I'm going to set it to the side for a minute. Let's go on and do 3/4 of vegetable oil. All right, 3/4 of veggie oil. Then we're gonna come with 2 cups of sugar. Then we're gonna come with our 1/2 cup of strawberry juice. Okay, it's kind of like a lukewarm going on here, so it is good. It would be best to put it in while it's hot or either lukewarm, and it depends on how we're gonna apply it. Okay, and this is the way I like to prep mine when I'm not working with butter. Okay, so we're gonna go in and add that in there. Oh, that goodness, isn't that beautiful, y'all? Look at that. Look at all that beautiful red strawberries. All right, gonna add that in there. Clean our bowl. All right, then we're gonna stir it up, okay? We're gonna stir it until our sugar get a little bit shy. If you don't know what I mean about that, it kind of not all the way dissolve, but absorb a lot of this oil and this good old strawberry juice, okay? Now while we're at it, we're gonna also add, yes, we're gonna add food coloring, okay? Now do our food coloring. So far, I have put 10 drops in. Okay, add that in there. Working with all liquids. The only thing that's not liquid is sugar so far. All right, we got that sugar to a timid stage. Like a little batter going on there. Because we want that strawberry real flavor in our cake, okay? Coming with the vanilla, 2 teaspoons of vanilla blend, Mexican vanilla blend, or either you could use vanilla extract or just a regular flavor. All right, we're still going with the sugar thing. Heavy whipping cream. Now this is what's gonna kind of make it pinkish. Yes, the heavy whipping cream in there. Okay, toss that to the side. Then we're gonna come with those good old eggs. We got 4 large eggs, okay? 4 large eggs. We're also placing those in the mix. All right. And we're gonna slightly stir everything in right here to those egg yellows, you know, kind of burst a little bit, and then I'm gonna slightly leave it like that, okay, y'all? We're gonna leave it like that, slightly mixed. Then I'm gonna come over here, and here I am again. I have our dry mix, which is 3 cups of all-purpose flour, which has been sifted. And also, we are also coming with another dry one, which is 3 more. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I'm gonna drop those in there. Okay. And then I'm gonna go right over here. You know what? I got my whisk right here. So we're gonna go right here and get our stir on with our whisk. Make sure everything combined. So what we're gonna do is, what y'all think we're gonna do next? We're gonna consolidate everything. And as I do it, I'm going to use my whisk to kind of get everything consolidated. All right, I'm gonna do it a little at a time, okay? Because we don't want to go overboard with it and we'll be old fountain using our freeze-dried strawberry fruit crisp. All right. And what we're going to do with this freeze-dried strawberry, we're going to put this I'm so sorry, Big Mama. I need you. Because my hand... And I'm going to put almost about like a cup full in here. Okay, y'all? We're going to do about a cup full. Almost a cup full. All right. Remember, we got our gelatin in there now. I guess 3 of these would be about a cup full. I gotta mix it up. Make sure we mix it. Put Big Mama down. We're gonna just slowly add our whipping cream as we go along. Matter of fact, we're going to slowly add all of it, okay? Going like that, we're going to go ahead and add our pulverized strawberries in, okay? We're going to add those pulverized dried strawberries in. I think we're there now.